How to enable or disable Face ID for contactless and payments on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen, and from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. After we enter in the current passcode, now go down and tap on Contactless and Payments. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Here, tap on the Continue button to turn it off. Otherwise, we can switch it on. So when you turn it on and when you try to make a payment, the iPhone will basically want to verify who you are, and if you turn this on, it can use Face ID as a method to verify yourself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.